One of the enhancements to the new Sage accounts is we've added custom fields to the invoices, credits, quotations, sales orders and purchase orders so that you can record more information about these. Let's have a look at them in the software. Okay, so we'll concentrate on invoices, however the same options are available for credits, quotations and sales and purchase orders. So into invoices and credits, we'll create a new invoice, add a customer and also a product, and then if we just have a look at the order tab, which on the new version is down the left hand side now, and you'll see the new custom fields. So you can record whatever additional information you want as you're entering the information. So as you're creating the invoice, you could record things like information about where they heard about your company or special offers or any other information you want to record. Now whatever information you enter there, you can also filter your invoices. So if it's consistent information, you can apply a filter. Let's just save that one. And if we go into filter at the top of the screen, and when we come to the fields, you can see we've got analysis 1, 2 and 3. So we can actually filter on that information if we want. So if we had, say, analysis 1, we've recorded where the customer had heard about the company. As long as it's entered consistently, we can get that information and we can find the invoices that have been generated on the back of that. The other thing we can do as well, and you might already be familiar with this, is that if we go into settings and configuration, and then if we have a look at the custom fields tab at the top, you've got the new analysis fields 1, 2 and 3 for both the customer side and also on the purchase side as well. So you've got them on the right hand side. We could actually rename them. So if we just say, let's call this one marketing, just as an example. So if we want to rename it, we could do all three if we want to, but let's just do the first one. And if we now go back to invoices and credits, bring up a new one, click the order tab, and you can see that title next to that custom field has changed. So it just prompts people to enter the right information in the right boxes.